Ever find yourself captivated by those charming Lego winter villages? While official sets are wonderful, some fans take it to a whole new level, crafting incredible displays known as MOCs, my own creations. These builders aren't just assembling sets, they're constructing entire worlds brick by brick. Let's explore some of the most stunning Lego Winter Village MOCs that have emerged, showcasing both impressive skill and boundless imagination. These aren't just models, they're invitations to step into a festive dream. Nolfi Plays and Family created a breathtaking Christmas village. It took over 3 years and tens of thousands of Lego pieces. Hundreds of lights illuminate a fantastical landscape, complete with a Mages Guild tavern and even a dungeon. Animals frolic in the snow. A train chugs along, and families celebrate the season. Groove 99's 66-year-old mother built a bustling winter town. She's fiercely protective of her creation, and rightfully so, the village is alive with action. Skiers, snowboarders, and even the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles gather amongst festive trees, and a Santa Claus meet and greet. The Way Around designed a winter village scavenger hunt. This MOC feels like stepping back in time to the late 1800s or early 1900s with cobblestone streets and horse-drawn wagons. But the real magic lies in the scavenger hunt itself, challenging viewers to find hidden treasures within the village. Venti 714 constructed a winter city that never sleeps. Best viewed in the dark, this MOC uses lighting to create a truly immersive experience. Rain-soaked streets, brightly lit storefronts, and detailed interiors bring the city to life. A railroad circles the town, and Santa flies overhead in his sleigh. Shorty created a cozy Christmas Eve town square. This MOC exudes warmth and charm, feeling like a true village with a quaint, inviting atmosphere. The use of carpet material for snow adds a magical touch and a humorous nod to Home Alone, complete with the OK Clumbing van, adds a playful element. Speaking of Home Alone, why did Harry and Marv choose Legos to rob a house? Because they heard the building blocks were easy to break down. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,